I get the feeling for the Cancerians at the moment, you have to be a little bit careful about all the things that you take in and try on, and all the different ways of life that you take on board and then try to live as though you're looking for this perfect way or path that then you can grab onto and then tell everybody else about, or sometimes sell to other people. It's almost as though you're looking for a blueprint of some kind. And so you keep trying all these different rules, these different ways of thinking, different ways of seeing yourself, and so on and so forth. The issue here is that it's all outside, and all the information is from out there. I'm not saying that it's all useless. I'm not saying that at all. What I am saying, however, is all that information is not going to get you closer to your own blueprint. Because the blueprint doesn't come from out there. Doesn't matter who it is, what they've achieved, whatever the story may be, it still doesn't come up from out there. Your blueprint comes from within you. And all the information outside is not going to get you to go inside. So you're kind of doing things a little bit backwards, dear Cancer. You need to bring your attention back within. What is this one thing that you are trying so hard to achieve? And in the process of trying so hard to achieve this one thing, you're bringing all this external information into your space.